Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will discuss MACRS depreciation. This is the most common method for calculating depreciation. MACRS stands for Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System, and it is the system used to depreciate residential rental property placed in service after 1986. Property placed in service before 1987 uses a different method of depreciation, which we will not be covering in this course. For further information, please refer to IRS Publication 534, Depreciating Property Placed in Service Before 1987. MACRS consists of two different determining systems that depreciate property. The first is called the General Depreciation System, or GDS. The second is called the Alternative Depreciation System, or ADS. A taxpayer must use GDS to depreciate residential rental property unless he or she is specifically required by law to use ADS, or unless the taxpayer specifically elects to use alternative depreciation. Using the GDS method of depreciation, each item of property that may be depreciated is assigned to a property class, which is determined by the class life of the property. The property class determines the depreciation method, recovery period, and conversion. The different property classes under GDS include 3-year property, 5-year property, 7-year property, 10-year property, 15-year property, 20-year property, non-residential real property, and residential rental property.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.